Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamualaikum dear students.
Hope you all are fine. So today our first lecture is maths. In maths our first topic is counting in number 1 to 30. First you make a title page of midterm, then date, revision, counting in numbers 1 to 30. Then you make 3 columns of TU and then start writing. So the first number is number 1. Make a straight standing line makes number 1. How to make number 2? Make a half curved and a sleeping line makes number 2. Number 3. Make a curved join with another curved makes number 3. How to make number 4? Make a straight standing line, then sleeping line, then standing line makes number 4. Number 5, make a sleeping line, then standing line, join with a curve makes number 5. How to make number 6? Make a curved, join with another curved makes number 6. How to make number 7? Make a sleeping line, then slanting line makes number 7. Number 8, a curved, join with another curved makes number 8. How to make 9? Make a half curved, join with a straight standing line makes number 9. Standing line, a circle makes number 10. Number 11, 1 and 1 makes 11. 1 and 2 makes 12. 1 and 3 makes 13. 1 and 4 makes 14. 1 and 5 makes 15. 1 and 6 makes 16. 1 and 7 makes 17. 1 8 18. 1 9 19. What comes after 19? Yes, you are right. It's number 20 20. 21 21. 22 22. 23 23. 24 24. 25 25. 26 26. 27 27. 28 28. 29 29. 30 30. आपने अपनी स्कूल की कॉपी के अंदर इसी तरीके से सबसे पहले मिड टर्म का टाइटल पेज बनाना है. कॉपी मेकिंग इस तरीके से करके काम बिल्कुल इसी तरीके से आपने अपनी कॉपी में उतारना है. थैंक यू. अल्लाह हाफ़िज़.